Ellarigu namaste. Good morning everyone. Myself Vishalakshi, Principal of Brilliant School. It is both an honor and a privilege to express my deepest gratitude for the unwavering support and the trust parents place in our school. As I look around, I am filled with immense pride in what we have achieved together and great optimism for the future we are shaping. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯು ಕೇವಲ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಿಂದ ಕಲಿಯಲು ಬರುವ ಸ್ಥಳವಲ್ಲ. ಯುವ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳು ಬೆಳೆಯುವ, ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆ ಪ್ರವರ್ಧಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ಪೋಷಿಸುವ ರೋಮಾಂಚಕ ಸಮುದಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಉತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟತೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಮಗ್ರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಸಮರ್ಪಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. To our students, I want to say you are the heart of the school. Your enthusiasm, your dreams, and your determination inspire all of us every single day. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and this school is here to guide you every step of the way. ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಚಲ ಬೆಂಬಲಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕರು, ಚಿಂತಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಾನುಭೂತಿಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತೇಜಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
Hello everyone, myself Victoria, coordinator of pre-primary. As a teacher, I believe education is the most important tool for each and everyone in their life. Every child deserves to receive the best education, so that is what our Brilliant School is doing and giving from past 7 years. As we all know that our school started as a preschool with 70 plus students in the year 2017. As a teacher, we meet the management expectations and deliberations in students' holistic development. And as a teacher, we learned new pedagogy adapted by school in reaching next level. The most important thing is that under the guidance and support by our principal, we are inculcating the best education in our students. So finally, I thank the management for their continuous support and giving me an opportunity to share my experience about our school. So once again, I thank you all.
Hello everyone, myself Usha, class teacher of junior KG. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಯು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಗ್ರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬದ್ಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳುವ ಅಗತ್ಯಾನುಗುಣಗಳು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮೂಲತತ್ವವೇನೆಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೊಸದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲು ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿಸುವ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಭವ್ಯವಾದ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ತುಂಬುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hello everyone, this is Sushma, mother of Midusha, studying in senior KG in Brilliant School. She is studying in this school since 3 years. She loves going to school and enjoys every moment there. The school has advanced curriculum, trained teachers, learning with fun and colorful events. The teaching staffs are very good at nurturing and developing the children's academic skills as well as social interaction and productive play. As a mother, it makes me proud to say my child is in the right place. I like to take this privilege to congratulate the management of the school for its endless effort. Thank you all.
Hi, good morning. Myself Lata. My daughter Shanvi is studying in senior pre-KG from Brilliant School. As a parent, I am very happy and glad to appreciate the principal ma'am and teachers the way they are putting in the efforts to channelize the positive energy of the kids and the way they are education and safety and overall development. The teachers are very professional, well organized and caring. My daughter is very happy to go to school every day. I am very happy to have such professional school nearby us, and I really thankful for all the teachers for their efforts in the development of kids, education, moral support and overall growth. Thank you.